Alright, so with the spread of the coronavirus, the COVID-19 here in the United States, I really don't cook. I go to restaurants. And so I'm kind of forced to buy some food. I do have a freezer. I fired that up the other day. And so I was talking to my neighbor, and Don, and he told me that when you package something, you should try to get the air out. And he told me about how he uses a straw to kind of suck it out. And I thought, well, you know, I just bought this tool recently from Cobalt, so let me give that a try. So the tool I bought was this cordless high volume inflator tool only, but I do have their 24 volt system, so this was like 29 something, basically $30. Number 1328847. So I thought, well, let me give this thing a try because it inflates and deflates. So I thought, well, I'm going to give this bad boy a try and see how it works. It does come with these 3 different attachments, and if you put it on the front, it acts as a blower. It will inflate, and then when you put it on the very top here, it will deflate. So that's the key to using this, is using the deflator at the top. So here you see it, and I elected to use this size, the middle size that comes with it, and I did use some isopropyl alcohol on it just to make sure there wasn't any kind of bacteria or whatnot. And I just put the 2 amp hour battery on it. Don't need much. I mean, to run this, I didn't need a lot of run time. I just put the smaller battery on it. So to use this, it basically will stick this tip inside the bag on the far end, that will where the sealing tab will go to. I'm going to, before I turn it on, I'm going to pull this up as far as I can here, like that. I'll go ahead and I'll turn it on, and this tool allows you to keep the switch on. So I'm going to turn it on, and then as it sucks it out as much as it can get, I will bear this on it like this. I'll pull that tab as much as I can, and then at some point I will pull it off the tip and then pull and seal it as quick as I can here. So that's the game plan. Now, you may not get 100%. You're not going to get 100% doing this, but you're going to get a lot. And my neighbor Don says as much as you can get out, the better. And I don't anticipate on keeping this long anyway. So this should help prevent freezer burn. So let me turn it on. And there you go. Now again, it may not be 100%, but it does a pretty damn good job. And it goes without saying that once you're done, properly clean the tip